Hi guys, just a quick tip for you guys who doesn't know really how to put your wipers up in this car. I won't go outside to show you guys, but you basically cannot put the wipers up. Um, I'll show you guys, like so. This is blocking down. So yeah, as you can see, you cannot put them up. The quick way to do it is this: you just press the wiper stock 2 times back to back, and it stays up like this, and you can like remove glass, not glass, but I mean ice on it, or anything you want to do to clean them up, or maybe change the wipers also. That can be good for someone who's looking to change the wipers. If they're broke or anything, you need replacement. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a quick tip I found online, and it was kind of tricky to find a simple video showing it. And also, I don't know if it works on different Infiniti models. I guess it's working with it. Normally, when a brand do something like this, it's all for all their models. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, guys. Peace.